Hello guys, today we are gonna do granny game part 3 bridge escape. So first we are going to fit every parts and then we are going to escape from this place. First I got this generator part. I am searching where to fit the generator correctly, and sometime will take time because now when I keep under I understand, then I place it and on the generator. You can see the electric spark that coming out. Next I will take the safe key that nearby and I'll go directly to the train. It is train key. Then I will fit in the train. Actually we are escaping through the bridge, but simply I'll find the way to escape train also. But in this part we are going to escape through the bridge only. And now I got the gear. This is the lift, guys. When we press the button it will go upside, and now we'll go upside and reach VCA box, and now we'll take the parts. I will check downside because one part fall downside, so I will simply see it. Now again we'll go back on the button and go downside to returning our place. After returning downside, then we place the button here. You see this box carefully. This is a electric switch. Here I will place it. Now we came near another item. This item actually it is a camera machine. It is a gate camera and it will control gate. For operating this, we need a fuse but object. So I will go and find fuse object. For that first we need this key. You see in my hand on safe key we have. With this safe key I open this box. Now we find a fuse. Using this fuse we go back to that machine, place it there and on the switch. Now we can see the gate opened. You can see the camera focus clearly. Now I try more time because the gate only lightly opened. Then I thinking more and I more open. Then I go back to the bridge. You see bridge only open some, but I want to open full. So what I do is I find whether there is another any way. I check the car we have another any parts, but eventually we cannot find any parts. Then I go back to the bridge. Then I see a button and it is asking me to find a bridge canal object. Then I got idea. I go back to the train. Then I find the object. Then I return back to the bridge. Then I will place the object back to that missing part. Then I click it. It will open. Now I easily find a way to escape. I go and get open. I escape. This game is very fun to play. I tell all of you to download this game. It is very fun to play this game, guys. Actually, night time more fun to play. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, guys.